Hi guys, welcome back to the course. So today we're going to be talking through YouTube advertising. And to start off, I'm going to talk you through the first thing you have to do before you can actually begin to use YouTube ads through the Google Ads interface. So what you need to do is obviously you'll have a YouTube channel, and in order to advertise from this, you'll have to do what's called a link. So you'll need to link your YouTube channel and your Google Ads account. There is two ways in which you can do this. You can link via the YouTube account, or you can link in the Google Ads interface. Today I'm going to show you how to do the link through the Google Ads interface. And it's really important that you do link up your channel, because obviously you have to do this in order to run your ads and see the interactions that you're getting on the ads. So how it works basically is when you link a YouTube channel to your Google Ads account, the YouTube channel owner, so the one I'm going to do today is mine, so I'll give you a demonstration of how that looks, can basically choose to allow kind of features to be available to your linked Google Ads account. So that might be remarketing, for example, so you can create remarketing lists based on viewers of your channel. It can be the engagement that you get, so the actions earned from the video ads from the link channels, and also your view count, so you can have a look at the organic metrics for your videos as well. You can actually link more than one Google Ads account to your YouTube channel, and you can link more than one YouTube channel to a Google Ads account. So I'm just going to show you how to go forward and do this. So if you move into either your Google Ads account, so your normal interface, if you pop over to this top right hand side with the tools and settings options, and you've got under setup, you've got linked accounts. So if you click on through to here, this is where you're going to link any kind of third party other interface to your Google Ads account. So if you just scroll down, you'll come to the YouTube option, which is just here, and then if you click on the details, you go through the option to view the link. Now, in order to do it, you need to know the email address, the details of the person who can grant access to this YouTube channel. So just be mindful of that. So I'm going to go ahead, and you need to get the channel details in order to add it to the account. So if you click onto your own YouTube channel that you want to link, you'll see in the URL the name of the channel. So I'm just going to copy this information here. There we go. And when I click add a channel, it'll say search for a channel or paste the URL. So if you know the channel name, you can pop that in, or you can paste the URL. I usually just do the URL, it's quicker and easier, but whatever works best for you. And then this is where you're going to choose whether or not it's yourself that owns the channel or if someone else owns the channel. So sometimes if you are setting this up for a client, for example, so if you're an agency or you're a freelancer and you're running some PPC activity for a client, this is where you'll choose the option for someone else owns this channel, and you'll have to get the relevant information from that person to proceed. In this case, I'm going to pop in I own this channel, and then you'll get a little update saying continue YouTube to complete the account linking process. So then I'll click this option to go to YouTube. And what it's going to do is it's going to load up this option. So you can have a link name. So I'm just going to put YouTube channel. And then this is where I was just talking about at the beginning, where you can choose what information you share back. So it says here, the linked Google Ads account will have access to the following features. So view counts, remarketing, engagement. You can untick if you don't want something to be shared, but for the purposes of marketing, it's best to share all information. So I'm going to go ahead and press that link button there. So it says account link saved. So I'm just going to pop back into my YouTube interface on Google Ads and come over and refresh here to see if that's updated. Let's see if there's any further instructions. So just bear with me one moment. So there we go. So straight away, I've got now, so if I navigate, so the place that we're in the minute is we're in the setup and the linked accounts, and then into the YouTube section. So now I can see I've got this channel linked to my Google Ads account. I've got permissions to see the view counts, remarketing, engagement. And then obviously it's really straightforward that if you do for any reason in the future need to remove the account, you have this unlink option here. So I was to click unlink, it'll ask you if you want to unlink the channel, and then you can go ahead and do that. So that's really straightforward to get set up. So that's the first part that you need to do before we then proceed on to actually creating the exciting stuff, which is the YouTube ads campaigns.